Lashes done. Hi. Welcome to Jonathan. So for this week, I'll be getting ready to go on a vacation. Yes, y'all guys know it's vacation season. As I can see today, I got my hair done. I got ginger. This color is $3.50 for those of you who wants to get the same color as me. Due to the fact that I go to work the next day, so you guys gonna see me doing different things multiple days, but don't forget to give it a juicy thumbs up. Show this channel your support, okay? And tomorrow on the agenda, I'll be doing my nails, and the list goes on. So we gonna pack up, get ready, get cute, and we're gonna go on the summer vacation. Girlies, welcome back once again to my pack and prep vlog. I just got my lashes done. How you guys feeling the lashes? Now I'm on my way to go to Sephora, so come with me. We'll grab a couple goodies, and then after that we're gonna go get our toes and nails done, because oof, they looking rough. And then after that, we'll pack together and the vlog will be over. But don't worry though, it won't be the end of it. It will just be the beginning. Alright, stay tuned. Guys, okay, so right now I have it's the Blur to Max foundation. Now I'm looking for the spray. Let me see. This is the spray that I was telling you guys about, that it's really good, especially for this summer. Grab you one, it'll be really good for you. So now I got this spray, one size. This is another one. I'm a oily skin girly. Like, I need something that will keep the skin. That's the primary. I'm sorry, that's a primary. And Secure the Sweat. They have two different ones. I believe the thing is, my skin is oily and I sweat a lot, so it'll be hard to pick between these two, but I heard that this one is the best one to try. So I guess I'm gonna try the Secure the Sweat, because I'm a sweaty girl. I gotta hold it together. So alright, so right now so far we got 3 stuff, okay, and we're gonna get one more stuff. Hey ladies, this is my eyebrow. This is how it's looking like. I think she did okay, but my nails, I expected more from my nails. I feel like the girl was struggling with the style I needed, but she should have told me that I don't think I can do it. I would have switched to something different, but I don't want to judge. She did okay. And besides, I got 3 days left. I don't have time to go and redo my nails. So I'm just gonna struggle it up. But right now, I've been out all day. It's about 7 o'clock. What I'm gonna do is tomorrow we're gonna pack everything and then we'll close out the vlog because I'm tired. I have a lot of stuff to do at home because I have a toddler. So I gotta eat dinner, get her ready for bed, all this kind of stuff. So which means that we will be wrapping it up tomorrow. Thank you guys for sticking around if you made it this far. I appreciate you guys. When I was at Sephora, I couldn't talk to your guys after I cut off the camera because the ladies from the store was coming in trying to talk to me. It was like, oh, you got a big camera. Oh, okay, you a real content creator. And I was like, I'm a small content creator. I'm not there yet, but thank you. So yeah, we was having a conversation and stuff like that. So that's my nails. My toes, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. Let's see. I did what I could. That's the toes. But anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and tomorrow we will close out the vlog. You guys see that when you guys saw me it was sunny. Right now it's dark. So I gotta go and be a mommy. Bye. I'll be showing you guys some cute outfit that I'll be rocking for my vacation. Outfit number 1, just a classic beach wear, and can also match with this, you know. Ta-da! You guys feeling this? Alright, second, you know, chilling out the beach outfit. We got this one. She's giving a lot of back. And solid, it's a little chill. And the third one is we have this girl. And a lot more that I will not show you guys because I want you to be surprised when you see them come together, as well as the shoes too. So I want to make you guys curious. That's what it's about. So I'm about to wrap. I'm about to pack up right now. My camera's at 6%. I'm going to pack everything and